guys, welcome back to Academic Technology channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use AI when you are doing your Google search. You notice that when you want to search for something, you go open google.com and you search for whatever you want to search. Today I'm going to show you how you can use generative AI on it. Have you used Gemini? Have you used Chatgpt and you love the way they generate content? Google can also generate content like that on your Google search. Only what you have to do is to follow me on this video and I will show you what you have to do when you want to search so that Google can generate content like that from you. Of course, it will also suggest for you websites where you can read it if you want to read it. But the first thing it will do is to generate just a small summary of whatever you are asking it so that you have idea. Before then, if you now want to go down to the website, you can go down to the website. So, my name is Unique Chukuma Banobi for a brief introduction. This is Academic Technology. Here we talk about tech and how to make money with tech. If this is what interests you, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Please go ahead and like and share this video. Put your comments. I am going to read that and that will gladden my heart.
What you have to do is open your Google on your mobile phone, check out for this symbol, or just open your Chrome and say labs.google.com. It will open this page for you. When it opens this page for you, just come down. You see SGE Generative AI in search. My own is off, so I will just turn it on. So once I turn it on, what am I going to do? I am going to try it. They say try an example, so I'm going to try it. So the simple question here is, why do dolphins jump together? Right? So what I wanted to show you is this is generated. This doesn't have, unlike all this one that is down that have websites where they have been crawled. This is a generated content. This is AI. And if you click on show more, you will see where it sourced its information from. You can even ask a follow-up question like, do dolphins jump when happy? Do dolphins stay together? So I can even type my own question. Do dolphins laugh? So it's a follow-up question, and look, when I click on it, look, it is generating it. It's generating it. So once it's done generating it, it will just populate it for me. So this is the first question, and this is the follow-up question. And even on this follow-up, I still have more to ask on follow-up question. But the beauty of this thing is that it doesn't replace the initial or the former search that Google used to do. Look at it. It's still there. You can even see more. It's still there, right? So whatever, if you prefer going through websites to read these answers, it's still there. But if you don't and you prefer generated content, look at it. You can generate your content real time. What branch of science is computer science? See. So this is a generated content. This is a generated content. This is a generated content. I can ask a follow-up question, but it doesn't stop it from giving me normal search that Google normally brings out, right? Look at it. But then there is this generative part. Look at it here. Computer science is a part of family of 5 interrelated disciplines. So I can even ask it a follow-up question like, is computer science STEM or engineering? Is computer science a branch of technology? So if I ask a follow-up question now, you will see it generate this content over again. Look at it. It's generating this content. Look. After this is the first question I asked, and this is the second question I asked.
Thank you very much. I hope you're able to learn one or two things here today. Please do well to subscribe to our channel. See you on our next video.